So open this one. Actually, this one is not open. One is not expired. Vanilla wipe. Kinakain na ni Sagi.
I want to start with that too.
Yeah. It's a... mukhang maganda pa yun. Kaya naman kung hindi natin inom. Sobrang init ngayon. Another box of pineapple. Strawberry. Pawis. What's in this dumpster? Okay, so there's some zucchini in the bags. Tissue. Remove the tissue. This one is kinda big. Oh, there's a soap. One, two, three, four, five. Yep. This is what we needed. So, and oh, they opened the oatmeal. That's not good. God. Yep. There's a lot of milk in here. Oh, dripping. Open this one. Hopefully that one is not open. Spatula. Yeah. And a naan bread. What else? Chicken. Another. I don't know if we can get this chicken. Maybe not. Hopefully this one is not open. Is it dripping? It's hard to tell if it's dripping or what. I'll go on the other side to get those wafers. This one is still closed. Okay. There's a pizza in here. And lots of hopefully this one is not expired. Just throw like boxes of vanilla wafers. Good thing they did not open the box. This store isn't, they're not really opening the boxes, but this time they opened the oatmeal. Maybe it's already open. Somebody open it. Oh, looks like those are bags of rice. Yeah, looks like I needed to get in because it looks like bag. It's a bag. Oh, that one is open. Looks like it's a bag of rice. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove this. That's kind of stinky. It's like a bag of rice. I needed to get in. Yeah, that looks like that one is. This one is bag of rice. Ooh, I need this. Ooh. Oh no. That's easy. Move it out. Yeah. This apple. The oatmeal. They opened the oatmeal. This one, it's not cold anymore. Ooh. Nope, I thought it's a bag of rice. It looks like bag of trash. That tricked me. Okay, these are the grapes that we returned because it's moldy. There's some apples and broccoli. There you go. These cantaloupe are bulok. Yeah, it's like bulok. Bulok, bulok, bulok. Ooh, that one fell. Okay, that's it. I thought it's a bag of rice, but nope. It's a trash. That really looks like bag of rice. Okay, so what we got? We have some broccoli and this semi-sweet morsels, and then we have this artisan flatbread, some zucchini. Yeah, some of the zucchini, it looks good, but then it's starting to get moldy at the bottom, like this one. You can see the moldy right there. Yeah, the zucchini really get rotten easily. And 2 bags of gala apples. This one is bigger than this one. And Mexican style pizza. Mexican style pizza. We have some wafers, cookies. So these are not expired. I can bring that to the donation center. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 boxes of vanilla wafers. And we have this mini sewing machine. The box is still closed. Hopefully it's working. Yep. I didn't see. Oh yeah, it looks like it's returned. Okay, so it's returned because it has this 36 number. And look, that's what it looks like inside. So it's still in the plastic bag. The instruction is still here. Okay, so there you go. Hopefully it's working. We found a lot of, last year we found a lot of sewing machine. And what else? So croissant, mini pastry, 3 containers like this, mini pastry. But this one is empty because we started eating it this morning, and I cooked some also. Sagi want to eat more. And then there's one more, this croissant pastry. It's like different shape. So 1, 2, so 4 containers total.
This is probably the 5th sewing machine we've found.
Yeah.
I've got 99 problems, but a stitch ain't one.
Hit it. Okay, so there you go. That's all what we found. So there you go, guys. This one is just finished cooking. I'm going to put some on the plate so I can give it to Sagi. He wants to eat some more. So there you go. Kinakain na ni Sagi.
I want to taste that with that too.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Like he dip it sa ketchup.
Wait.
Yeah. Oh. Namiss nga naman yung ketchup. May kakaiba rin tong weird na ano si Sagi. 4 plus 2. Count 4 plus 2. So this one is 4. Okay. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Plus 2.
1, 2.
What's the total?
I don't know.
Count it. 4.
4. I can't know it.
6. You did not count right. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Yum. You like it, huh?
Go away. Go away.
So the milk are inside the wrap. I already cleaned it and put it in the wrap. So. Hi guys! Thanks for watching!
Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like our video by hitting the like button.
Like and subscribe!